Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The Portuguese Consumer Price Index will be released at 10 GMT, Finland's current account at 5 GMT, the US 52-week bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The UK's average earnings, including bonus, will be released at 6 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. The UK's claimant count rate at 6 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's three major indexes rose sharply, with the S&P 500 marking its highest level since early March, as a US-China agreement to temporarily slash tariffs brought some hopes for the easing of a global trade war, which US President Donald Trump ignited in early April. Tether's USDt surpassed a $150 billion market capitalization for the first time on May the 12th, marking a new milestone amid growing stablecoin adoption. USDT's circulating supply has expanded by over 36% in the past year, with growth accelerating in November following the election of US President Donald Trump. Perplexity AI is in advanced talks to raise $500 million in a funding round that would value the startup at $14 billion. The NVIDIA-backed startup provides AI search tools that deliver information summaries to users, similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair dove 1.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.